everybody, welcome back to Zevaulia with me, Zeva. Since this month is the festive season, I had this idea of how to share a DIY video on how to gift wrap more sustainably, more eco-friendly, so you don't pollute down the chain. These gift wrapping methods that I'm about to share with you, of course you can use them for any occasions throughout the year, for any celebrations, but the key thing is how to make your gift wrapping methods more eco-friendly, because as we know, gift giving could be really wasteful with all the packaging and everything. So how do we reduce all of that and really better the environment? Okie doke, these are examples of the gifts that I will wrap. These are just some random books and other items that I have, all in different shapes and sizes that will help me make this multi-tips tutorial for you. But since I don't have a large bottle such as a wine or champagne bottle, I'm using one of my drinking bottles as an example as well. Beside the gifts that you need to prepare, you also need to prepare the wraps. I'm using a mix of materials here. The goldish colored one is made out of recycled tissue paper. The batik dark brown gold one was actually the wrapping of a gift a friend of mine gave to me. So this is a nifty idea, to reuse the gift wraps that people already gave you. The green fabric and the silky broken white fabric are actually headscarves. It's also a good idea to use a nice quality fabric so it can be a part of the gift and can be reused by the gift receiver. I will be teaching you the Japanese Furoshiki method of wrapping, using any fabric that can also be used to wrap gifts in an eco-friendly way. These are the tools that you will need to prepare for my DIY. I am using a natural jute or hemp rope, or tali rami in Bahasa Indonesia, that easily biodegrades, a colored fabric ribbon, a rubber band, and a pair of scissors. You can use more or less and across items depending on what you're making. For additional decoration, I am using a mix of eco-feel items such as leaves in different shapes and sizes, and also this cute ribbon made out of burlap fabric and lace. Let's start wrapping. This first method requires no sellotapes or sticky tapes at all. Place your gift in the middle of the wrapper. The wrapping paper I'm using I have shaped into a square, so fold the bottom corner over the gift and tuck the ends under it, making sure it's taut, smooth, and neat. Then, start on the right side and fold that corner over to the top of the item. Do the same for the left side too. Once that's done, do the same thing with the upper corner and pull it over the gift. You will get a pointy folded edge. This may require a bit of doing over and folding here and there until you get a neat finish, but you will be able to do it eventually really quick and easy. Now, with this pointy folded edge, all you need to do is to tuck it between these folds here to fasten the whole wrap. Grab the jute, hemp, or rami rope, that natural fiber rope, to fasten the wrapping paper in place. I'm tying this up across the midsection. Then, to decorate it, I'm placing this leaf in between and under the rope to give a fresh, natural look. You can also place a small card there too. Using the same method as explained before, I will also wrap this stack of books. The difference is the decoration idea. Here's the step-by-step again in fast motion.
We feel emptiness afterwards, 'cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting.
Now, let's use the first Japanese Furoshiki method. This is a nifty wrap method for bottles of any shape and size. The key is to use a square-shaped fabric that will fit to wrap the bottle. Place it on a table in a diamond position. After placing the bottom and top corners over the bottle, grab and gather the left and right corners, then gently flip the bottle on a standing position, crossing it over the back of the bottle like so, making sure all wraps nice and snug. Then pull it to the front or the other end, making it all nice and taut for us to put a rubber band to keep it in place. Now that the rubber band is in place, we can use the remaining fabric to decorate and turn it into a ribbon or a petal shape. For a final touch, I am placing these fresh leaves to give it a natural touch. The second Japanese Furoshiki method is an example if you want to wrap gifts such as clothes or even the usual box-shaped items. As explained before, you will need a square-shaped fabric that will fit to wrap the gift. Place it on the table in a diamond position. Place the gift on the center of the fabric and then grab one diagonal end or the top and bottom corner of the diamond and tie it together. Then, grab the left and right corners and tie it up too. After this is done, the wrapped item is already safe and snug. There are many ways you can finish off the loose ends of both ties. I will be braiding mine and turning it into a mini bun. To make it look more like a gift, I will be placing a fabric ribbon around the bun. I will also place this small card behind the ribbon. Aren't these gift wrapping methods naturally gorgeous? It's simple yet appealing, and you can also add other ideas to the mix. Most importantly, these methods are eco-friendly and will teach us to use more frequently what we already have or use recycled pieces out there.
But I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something.
So there you have it. I hope that the tips that I gave for you will be really useful for whenever you want to wrap any gifts for your loved ones and family and friends. I will see you in the next video.